The following tutorial explains the extended access of Fast Service Clarification, which is designed to provide quick, efficient, and worry-free remote support for your Dentsply Sirona equipment. This service is now available to even more service partners from Dentsply Sirona. Let's begin. Here's why granting access to your service partner technician via Fast Service Clarification is a great idea. It gives you fast support when you need it most. Especially with unforeseen issues, they can support you remotely to minimize downtime, directly via DS Core. It can reduce the need for on-site visits. And if one is needed, your technician arrives prepared. Of course, no patient data is shared, only technical device information. You can grant access to your connected devices in the equipment section. Click the three dots next to the device that you want to share service access for and select Service Access. Choose your service partner via the drop-down menu or the search function. To confirm, click Save. You will now see a Service Access Granted badge next to the device. In the same way, you can take access away at any time. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new DS Core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.